So this is the final video. This is the placards that they gave to people, the contest winners and stuff like that. I got just about everything at this show. I know I missed a hurricane and there's a couple tanks that I kind of went over a little bit fast. There's a couple things that I wish I would have slowed down on. But anyway, everything is in this show. Isn't that a beautiful looking build right there? I hope you really like and subscribe. It really, really helps me out if you like and subscribe because that gets me to be able to get better equipment to show you better stuff and go to bigger things. It costs money, it takes a lot of time to do this stuff. Anyway, go check out my Fine Art America page. It's going to be in a link in the description right after I finish showing you this beautiful piece right here. And help me out by buying some art or something like that. Thanks a lot. Really, really like and subscribe. I try to show you every model, everything at a show. Thank you.
So it behooves you to sit up here by the raffle prize.
Yeah, because like Chandler,
Numbers. We'll get assigned to prize.
Did he? Yeah, he built the 2 hot rods at the end down there.
oh, cool. I have to go down and take a look.
Yeah, definitely. Good work.
Good luck, everyone.
Take care, Eddie.
We'll begin drawing numbers in 5 minutes.
How are you? All right. I tell you, I'm scale modeling. Yeah, I'm in the yeah. We have people from our own page. Yeah, usually they all go through. It never gets caught up unless they're like a first-time poster. I'm like, I'm not a first-time poster. Yeah, yeah. And fortunately, at least I got to all the shows this year. So I'm getting them all.
Which that was? Yeah. Do you know what it's called?
Ari's work right here. The mirrors, wall paint shop. Like they're around the corner of my house. I'm looking at 2 in the morning. So let's go ahead. Go, hey, yo. I stand in there. I think we want to know. Let's go. I'm here 2 in the morning. What the fuck you doing on a computer too? I take my senior nap at 7 in the afternoon. I get up at 1 in the morning. I can't sleep. So I got a computer. They say, yeah, we got one here for $4. I'll take it. $15. So now I got my father-in-law's that only got the little light that goes and now I got the other one that shows digital for the toys. Wow.
Yeah. We're gonna
Chris for the other side.
Okay. Maybe so. Working, man. Working on the weekend.
You guys see my parking brake?
You already got it?
I'm trying to listen to this too.
I got
Unless
you.
you pick him up, right? You pick him up, right?
I'm here for South.
Got like that little 5.
And I missed all of my shows in Texas because I couldn't get away. And I
You can stand here.
I bring about 40 kids, man. Yeah, because I build 2 a week. So
How do you get that time?
huh?
How do you get that time?
I'm a project manager, man. I'm the dude in the trailer. Yeah, man. And then if I got to paint, you know, I got the little $20 portable paintbrush. My paint is ready to spray. So I'll go there and step out the trailer on the clothes hanger and hit it up and and then get back. And the clearing is hard though, because especially here with the moisture and the temperature. Texas is dry. Even when it's cold, you can still heat up the garage and still clear cold. But here, it's
762.
yeah,
You gotta catch the right days.
yeah, exactly,
So fog up on you.
exactly, yeah, exactly. But yeah, man, well, I appreciate you, brother. All right, man.
Number 762, 458. 762, 458.
There's a blue table over there. I was
Yeah, I know. I don't look at his channel because I don't want to try to like steal anything from him. You notice that inside the door? But the car pinholes and
Yeah.
paint on the top. Pinhole. It's still a good. But that right there, unfortunately. The metal foil, I get it. I know it's tough. It's a little,
Yeah.
nitpicky.
Three 16674.
It's not distracting.
Engine, it absolutely lovely.
Yeah.